No mobile data? No problem. Free DepEd Commons na. You can now access DepEd Commons on your mobile device even without load. Good news! Yes, everybody can now access DepEd Commons even without internet load or mobile data. Students, educators, and parents nationwide can now access for free hundreds of ebooks and videos provided by the Department of Education in DepEd Commons website. This will allow for continuous learning during the enhanced community quarantine, which prompted many schools in Luzon and other parts of the country to suspend classes. In support of DepEd's Sulong Edukalidad campaign, Globe, in partnership with the Department of Education, provides its subscribers free access to DepEd Commons website. Globe users can now access DepEd Commons for free in their mobile phones. DepEd Commons, also known as commons.deped.gov.ph, DepEd's pilot program on learning continuity, which contains online quizzes and exercises for K-12 learners and content for alternative learning systems or ALS. The Globe also launched eLibrary. eLibrary is a web platform that features age-appropriate and engaging ebooks and e-learning videos which can be accessed through mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and desktop computers. The Department of Education has initially launched the DepEd Commons for Distance Learning Program. This can be an alternative solution for areas affected with COVID-19 outbreak. The Department of Education Common is an online platform for public school teachers to support distance learning modalities. It was designed as a direct solution to give access to online review materials and open educational resources during class suspensions and other similar circumstances. So here's the video tutorial for DepEd Commons. Watch and learn. Here's how to access DepEd Commons. 1. Open your browser and go to commons.deped.gov.ph. 2. Type the name of your school. 3. Upon choosing the name of your school, no need to log in because you will have full access. Login is for EdTech unit personnel only. 4. Click the grade level and then select subject. 5. View online or download the files you need. That's all. Enjoy DepEd Commons. Tulad po rin sinasabi ko guys, ay pupuntahan po natin at i-access ang DepEd Commons. So para po magawa natin yan, unang-una po ay pumunta po tayo sa ating browser or sa inyong Google Chrome. Okay, pag nasa browser na po kayo, i-type lang po natin ang kanilang website. Ang type po natin ay commons.deped.gov.ph. So nakikita na po ninyo sa inyong screen. Okay, okay lang po natin. Ngayon po ay nandito na po tayo sa kanilang site. So, Department of Education, DepEd Commons. So, dito po ay i-fill out lang po natin lahat ng details. So, first, select your school, kung public kayo or private. Next, search school name or school ID. So, ita-type lang po natin ang ating school name. Pwede rin pong school ID. So, click po natin yung lumabas para sa ating option. So, ito pong school natin. Kung ano po yung school name, maintain nyo lang po, lalabas po yung name. Next option po ay student or teacher. So, kung student ka, student. Kung teacher ka, teacher. Okay, kung mga magulang po kayo, student pong piliin nyo para po sa inyong mga anak. Next, required din po ang name. So, lagyan po natin ating name. Next, email, ang ating pong email address. Okay, and then save. So, hintayin lang po natin. Next, dito na po tayo. Welcome na po tayo sa ating DepEd Commons. Ang susunod pong gagawin natin, ipipiliin lang po natin kung anong grade level ang gusto nyong ma-access. Okay, meron po tayong mga choices dyan. Ayan. at kung ilan po yung mga materials na available. So, pipiliin ko po dahil po ang tinuturuan ko ay grade 9 o kung ang year level po or grade level po ng anak nyo at pipiliin nyo dyan. So, sa grade 9 po tayo. Okay, dito po may category po tayong pwedeng pagpilian. Dalawa sa English 2, Mathematics, wala po sa Filipino. Sa aralin, ina-update po ng DepEd Commons yung mga materials dyan. So, kung ano muna po yung mga materials na available, yan po yung ma-access natin. So, try po natin i-access yung English 2. Okay. So, ito po. Available po dyan yung materials. Yung mga nag-contribute po. Okay, downloadable din po yung karamihan ng files. So, ma-access nyo na po lahat ng gusto nyo i-access dyan. Okay, pumili po tayo ng materials or other grade levels. Halimbawa na lang, po tayo sa grade 1. Ma-access na po natin lahat yan. Ayan po. There you go guys, ganun lang kadali para ma-access at magamit ang DepEd Commons. Kung marami kang natutunan sa video nito, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Once again, this is Lovely John. See you next vlog. Bye-bye!